What is the
Di
English
halatang
of
palahubog ang tatay.
Letters.
Red?
Mga tatay, careful pag tumunga na.
Apple.
Mango.
Mango. And you, what fruit do you know?
Salad.
Salad. What grade are you?
Bicycle.
High school. What's your favorite subject?
English.
English. Sige nga, try natin, Saint. Wala magtuturo, ah. What is the English of aso? Palakpakan naman natin si Saint, everybody. What is the English of pusa?
Cat.
Galing. Palakpakan niyo naman siya. Oh, what is the English of kabayo?
Letters.
Red horse. Ano po yung tatay nito? Sir, sino kasama mo nagdidrink ng Red Horse?
Daddy.
Daddy. Pinapainom mo yung bata? Red